Hey, it's Lauren, the
Hello.
host of the Yogakane Podcast. Please enjoy the soundbite from this week's episode with Caitlin Lainer, a trauma-informed yoga teacher and social worker based in Boise, Idaho.
I think if you think of trauma as being just kind of at its root, like all about disconnection, and then on the flip side, we have yoga, which looking at the Sanskrit definition, meaning to yoke, to join, to unite, to come together, or to connect, really thinking about how like yoga is this ancient practice all about uniting mind, body, and spirit. And so I think it's just a really, natural antidote in a lot of ways to trauma.
Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed Caitlin's soundbite, feel free to follow and subscribe to the Yogakane Podcast on any podcast platform. Thank you again, and Shanti peace to you and your household.